know those things that power your car? Yes, your car battery. You think they come from overseas? Well, they do not. They are made right here in Australia. We are at Century Batteries in Carole Park, which is in Ipswich in Queensland, and they are made right here. So we are going to be learning all about that process this morning and meeting some of the wonderful people that work at this factory. Manufacturing is so important. There have been no manufacturers in Australia that have been able to stay open for 100 years. Century Batteries has been here for 90 years and they are going for a century. So we are going to help them do that. Century for Century Batteries. There you go. Carl and Georgie.
A lot of people don't get into car batteries, but I love them. I love them. I love looking at them. I love lifting them. I love testing them out.
Changing them.
Counting them.
Yeah, I love counting them.
Counting them.
I love charging them. Yeah. Just everything about batteries I love. Well done, Natalia. I look forward to this morning.
We're expecting a lot of energy from you this morning, Natalia.
Please don't disappoint.